Hi, this is another hive inside a tree, and here you can see an active live hive. And this is some honey here. Yep, some wild honey. 100% wild organic honey. Okay, here we go. And that is our friend, the manager. And, as you can see, we're gonna take some blocks of honey out. This is I'm Carl, and this is Mehdi, our romantic Frenchman. Filming is the engineer of all, Mr. Man. Now, have a look at this. This is wild honey, pure wild honey. No preservatives, no nothing. Here we go. Nice, lovely color. Okay, thank you so much. We'll show you more of our videos as soon as we have some. Meanwhile, take care. Thank you for watching.